tell us a little bit about Mass Precision and introduce yourself as well?
I am John Feuerhelm. I'm the Director of Quality here at Mass Precision.
Hi, I'm Janet Baca, and I'm the Document Control Lead for Mass Precision.
Hi, I'm Michael Hamilton. I'm the Quality Control Manager at Mass Precision.
Mass Precision has been a contract manufacturer here in the Bay Area for the last 41 years. We specialize in sheet metal, machining, painting, welding for a variety of industries, including defense, electronics, semiconductor, transportation. We also have facilities in Malaysia and Guadalajara.
Please share the importance of fairs in your day-to-day work.
Well, since we do serve a variety of industries, in particular semiconductor, medical, and defense, all of these customers require a fair with every product that we deliver, both the new product introduction and then with many products, every time we make a delivery, they're looking for fairs.
Fairs are very important for our customers. That's the way that they are able to verify that we are building for print. They have all the information necessary from us, all the dimensions, all the data, any materials that they need to review, everything is there for them. So it's very important.
Fairs are very important. They are a place where the inspectors collect the data and input the data for all the different dimensions of the parts. Tool that's a necessity for all of our customers, and they rely on that information when we're delivering the product. So it's a very, very important tool for us.
And could you share your experience pre-ground control and post-ground control when it comes to completing fairs?
I, of course, am not the actual person who creates the fairs. That's the rest of my team here. However, from my perspective, we previously used the Discus software, and I found that there was a high degree of errors, including me having to open up a formal corrective action with one of our medical customers due to the high degree of errors that that software was outputting. So that's really what got us looking for a new solution. And of course, we found ground control as part of that corrective action.
Yes, so ground control has been very simple for our team, for our prep team. They're the ones that prep all of the first articles for our customers. They are able to have less errors, be able to complete them in a timely manner. It doesn't take as long as how we used to with our Discus that we used to use. Also, when it comes to creating the TDPs, we're able to have everything in just one place instead of having to go back from one form to another. We're also able to link all of the certifications, dragging and inserting them, which that costs us less time than having to click a lot of different buttons to get to that. Also, when it comes to reviewing all of the data from our quality, they are all in green, so we're able to verify it very quickly, and if there's an error, we're able to see that as well very quickly.
When we used the Discus software, it was not so user-friendly, and there was a lot of errors with documents when they were being exported and then also sending to the customer. There was issues with those as well. So it was not so user-friendly. I didn't use it as much as I do the ground control.
And how did you first hear about ground control?
Our QMS manager, Raymond, actually was doing some research into alternatives because of the poor performance of the Discus software. And so he's the one that found you through a web search.
And could you share how your experience has been with onboarding and customer support from ground control?
Onboarding and customer support has been excellent. Working with Justin, it's been very easy to add people. We've had multiple meetings and instruction videos done through teams in the US and in Guadalajara, in our other facility. They've held completely Spanish-speaking instructional meetings, and it has just gone very well. Anytime that I've sent Justin or the ground control team a message and asked for something, how does this work, or what do I need to do with this, they've responded within the day, sometimes within the hour. Customer support has been amazing.
So ground control has been great for our industry so far. Our team has been able to use it very easily, so it's been great.
Ground control is very user-friendly. Everybody who has taken the training and has used it has had no problems understanding the inner workings of it. The buttons are very easy to click on. Hovering over the buttons and having them explain to you, give you hints of what it does and stuff like that is very helpful. So we are very happy with ground control.
it's been a very good engagement with Ground Control. I really appreciate how the entire team has engaged with my team. In particular, being able to do Spanish training for our GDL facility, as well as working with us directly to implement our custom templates to match customer output requirements.
A bit of an interesting background going on here. Are you able to share any details about what's going on behind you?
We actually have a variety of products in the back shot here. Of course, I think you might see a FedEx box that we actually produced at one point. That was an automated box we did for FedEx. You might see them out on the street somewhere. Not pictured behind me, there might be Tesla charging stations that you see in various places. We worked on those, and of course, our products are really behind much of the sheet metal you see around the world and in a variety of industries, whether it's inside of your computer or a medical robot that's operating on you or a loved one. There's mass products involved.
Final closing thoughts?
Ground Control is very easy to use software. The implementation has been great. The whole team has had no issues using it, and we really appreciate your product. It's really helped us out.